There are so many steps involved in successfully designing and building your dream home. Not only is building a home one of the most expensive investments you'll make in your life, but it's also very time consuming. The construction process of an average size home can take 6 to 10 months to complete due to the hundreds of steps involved and the thousands of products and services that are available in the market for you to choose from. Hi, my name is Ran Chahal, and I've been a professional custom home designer for over 25 years in the Metro Vancouver area, and have been recognized as a city-approved design consultant for the last 17 years. One of my jobs as a design consultant is to review house plans that were designed by other professional home designers. Once I've done my review, I'll tell you if there's a way to improve the floor plan and the exterior look of the house. Having an awesome house plan designed to meet your family's needs is the first step in building the best home possible. I've designed over 5,000 homes in my career and helped thousands of builders and homeowners build their dream homes across Canada, the United States, and South Asia. I'm hoping my videos will help you select the right products and services needed to successfully build your home while avoiding some of the most common mistakes others make. The more you know about the construction process, the less chance of you making a major mistake that could cost you tens of thousands of dollars to correct later on. So if you're planning on building your dream home for you and your family, or you're planning on becoming a builder who builds and sells homes as a career, then you'll want to watch my videos. I'll be uploading new videos regularly, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified each time I post new content. Some of the topics I'll be discussing in my videos will be how to build your perfect dream home, how to select the best products and services for your home, how to avoid making the most common mistakes that other builders make, how you can make money building and selling homes. I'll show you the latest design trends and some of the coolest gadgets for your dream home, along with many other topics. By watching my videos, not only will you be able to build an amazing looking home, but more importantly, you'll become a better and smarter builder. Thank you for watching, and I hope you continue to build your dreams. Here are some of the most common mistakes that I found when I do my review. Poorly designed front and exterior view of the house. Incorrect house size. Incorrect room location. Too much wasted space. Incorrect window and door locations. Incorrect window and door sizes. Poorly designed games room or theater room. Incorrect kitchen and bathroom design. And poorly designed backyard space. These are just a few of the things that I include in my review. If you want more information, or if you want to improve your house plan, please send an email to review@Mr.Apex.com. Thanks for watching.